How to use the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful universal principle that states you can attract into your life whatever you focus on. By harnessing this law, you can manifest your dreams and achieve your goals. Here's a detailed guide on how to effectively use the law of attraction. Define your goals. Clearly identify and write down what you want. Visualize success. Spend time daily imagining your goals as already achieved, using all your senses. Affirm positivity. Create and repeat positive affirmations to reinforce your goals. Feel it. Embrace the emotions you would feel if your goals were already reality. Take inspired action. Act on opportunities and intuition that align with your goals. Express gratitude. Regularly express thanks for what you have and what you're manifesting. Maintain belief, trust the process, release doubts, and stay patient and positive. You can harness the power of the law of attraction to create the life you desire.